Okay, so on the H1 Hummer heater core, I've got the old one here, which, as I suspected, was bad, and a new one is about 500 bucks. So I was able to find one at AutoZone through one of the Hummer forums, and it's an aluminum one. It's exactly the same size, and the part number is 399025, and it's a heater core by Spectra premium heater core, 25 bucks. And because it's aluminum, I cut the copper wire and connected these two so that there's no corrosion between the aluminum and the copper. And also, one of my friends over at Cars Auto down the road, I want to thank Kurt here, because he recommended, instead of bolting this piece back on, which I had already broke these off, drilling them out, dealing with the other side and connecting it here and all this other stuff, is to run it directly through and then connect it with another hose. So this is where it was going to be connected here. I'm going to cut this off, do the same thing as I did right here, and I'll be back in business. And as you know, if you look here, there's a lot of corrosion here, and I had some leaking going on anyways. So this alleviates that problem by going directly through. I'll probably put some glue in there so that it's not shaking while it's driving down the road and rubbing on it. And I'll be done. So now it's time to put it all back together and install it. And as of right now, I'm into it. $25 for the heater core, and another $20 for the drill bit, which was what I used to drill this out.